This bird's babies are born with claws on their wings, just like their dinosaur ancestors. The Hoatzin is a strange-looking bird found in the swamps and rivers of the Amazon rainforest. Its chicks are born with 2 small claws on each wing, used to climb through branches. This trait resembles Archaeopteryx, making the Hoatzin a living link to early dinosaurs. As adults, these claws disappear completely, leaving no trace once they mature. They have a unique digestive system that ferments leaves, giving them a strong, unpleasant smell. Follow for more amazing animal facts. Would you have guessed a bird chick could have claws? Comment below.